once again.
हाय दोस्तों, मैं अपना इलाका दिखाता हूँ। मैं किधर रहता हूँ और मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं किधर जगह में चलता हूँ। आज मैं वॉकिंग करने आया हूँ अपनी मम्मा के साथ, तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। जैनल मार्ट भी है। आपको पता है जैनल मार्ट का क्या है? एक ना शॉप है, नेस्टो भी है, गॉड मार्ट भी है। आपको पता है तो कमेंट करना और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना। और भी मैं आगे दिखाऊंगा किधर जाना है। मुझे रास्ता तो पता है।
ये पाकिस्तानी है और कहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
देखो दोस्तों, ये स्कूल का नाम लिखा है।
ये स्कूल का नाम नहीं, दरवाज़ा। अच्छा चलो।
और जो मैं आपसे ज़रूरी बात पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप तो YouTube के अंदर भी डाल सकते हैं जैसे मैं करता हूँ। आप भी डाल सकते हैं। अभी यहाँ थोड़ा शोर था क्योंकि तो अब ये हमारा जैनल मार्केट। तो हम जहाँ मेरे पापा जाते हैं ऑफिस से, हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं उस रास्ते में। ये बहुत दूर रास्ता है, लंबा है थोड़ा सा। तो मैं आप हाय दोस्तों, ये हमारी बिल्ली है। ये को
ये हमारी कहाँ से आ रही है?
ये मेरी बिल्ली है, पहले गुम हो गई थी ना। ये वो हमारी बिल्ली है।
इतना तो गप कम मारो,
गप ना मारो, ये मेरी बिल्ली
काली
है।
से आए।
मैंने ली थी मम्मा हाथ के, जब कोरोना वायरस नहीं था ना। मैं हाथ के जादू से जा रहा हूँ। वो देखो
ये जादू है।
देखो जादू से जाएंगे। देखो जादू से जा रहे हैं।
Now we are crossing in the front of the petrol pump, so it's brand new. Start here. What is the name of the petrol pump is Oil King. Oil King. So this is the behind our society. So this is a major road going to the Manama. So all the shops are closed because of lockdown. All stationery and all the supermarkets, like only. Actually today Khalid is not don't want to appear. He's like to be silent and he don't like to go outside for a walk. I forcefully tell him, okay Khalid, don't sit silently. Okay, this is a lockdown. Okay, I understand, but we have to be active because we are human, alhamdulillah, and we have to be positive. Khalid, show your face.
I am angry.
You are always angry, Khalid. Always angry.
Yes,
Why
yes,
you
yes.
are angry? Why you don't satisfy from your life?
Because you not love me.
I don't love you.
Yes.
This is a big lie. Now, where we are going, Khalid? Can you tell me? Where you are going, Khalid, now? This is a girls' high school. Slowly, go slowly.
I know.
Okay.
And
Road is very silent, like zombie will appear at any moment.
why?
Dun dun dun.
Why? You cannot scare me.
I don't want to scare you. You already scared from the darkness.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Tell me what kind of a weather at this moment in Bahrain? This is a too much suffocated one. You
Yes, so
feel it? Do you feel the air here?
it is summer. I'll not.
You're
I'm
not
not.
comfortable.
No, I am not.
Orange. Why you pick up? Okay, good boy. Don't pick anything from the ground, okay?
Because it's lockdown.
Your man, come on, boy. Virus is there. Germs are all already there. Everywhere.
Ah,
Okay, take turn.
1 minute the car. And we want to turn.
Water.
Yes, I know this way.
Uh,
For you, one alien come off the earth, and he bite all the humans, and one human safe up, and his mom take his safe. The alien comes. The alien comes eat his mom, and the boy was crying. The alien was hearing, where is the human? He want to bite the baby. The baby was safe.
by mother. And
The
father,
mother died.
their mother died.
Yes.
Father sacrificed his life for baby, not mother. Mother is surviving with baby to save him.
No, the baby is safe because the alien eat his mom.
Okay, this is a new story
Yes, for you.
for me,
No, the
for the audience out there,
yes,
those who are listening you,
yes.
those who are loving
No,
you.
no.
They don't love you.
Yes,
Of course they love you. That's why they're listening you every day. Whatever you are doing, they notice.
I know.
They do reply. They want to reply, but comments are off. We don't know why comments are closed. So guys, this is our little society. Little society. So we live in Dhura. So this is the night time.
And the baby cried.
Please listen him. He want to say something. He's very curious
The
about it.
baby cry. The alien go away and afraid.
After from alien.
No, the baby cry na.
Wait.
The alien afraid. Who is? He think. Alien think. Who is?
Who is this? The creature.
Yes.
Who's the creature? Who's crying?
Yes. He
Ah.
think is big monster.
The
And
monster
he
is
think,
there.
yes. The baby cry. He 11 years. So 11 years.
Years.
Yeah. Yes. And the father too died. Into the 47 years. He big. He 74 old.
The baby become young and then now his age
Big.
is 47.
Yes.
You want to say okay? Then
Then
he's alone. Only the human being on earth.
yes.
Okay.
And
So
he took the car and go away in the aeroplane. And
if he's alone on earth, so how can he drive? How can he fly an aeroplane?
because he have a parachute.
He having a parachute and flying aeroplane. Wow, what a combination, Khalid.
And he go in the China. China is alive.
China is alive. China is only the one country who's left behind.
Yes.
Like aliens are not going there.
yes.
But
Because the China was so strong.
so strong. How? Can you explain us?
Because they
He
eat.
They are eating too much.
Yes, and powerful China. He eat everything. He go into the China, and the end. Bye bye. This is the first.
Guys, this is a mosque near to our home. So all mosques are in Bahrain are closed at the right moment after the prayer. So because of virus. So come out, guys. We are going now. You missed to come here. The car is coming and Ibrahim is coming out from trolley. This is our
store. Cold store.
Coming back
Yes,
From
this
our-
is my home.
today's walk. So say bye, Khalid.
Bye.